getting ready to go to the Bluffs. We're gonna hang out for a few hours, so I got cards. Going to the Bluffs, so I'm grabbing some games. We've got regular cards, PDQ, and then Uno. Those can go in the bag. Next thing we need is Super Towel, which won't be going in the bag, but will be coming with. We also need my debit card and my camera. Okay, that towel can stay there, but these will go in the bag. Wake up, San Francisco. It's time to go. Okay? Next, I gotta get there. The rain jacket. What do you think is this? You don't look like you're ready for the Bluffs. They're gonna be here in like 10. This can go. Vlog. Sorry. He's coming.
Your hair looks so nice.
Wait, are the Seagulls gonna come and take the food from me?
Not any more so than at the normal beach. So you just have to like.
That means nothing to me.
She didn't like the Seagulls at the last beach we were at.
Oh, okay. If they come,
we'll be okay.
Swat them.
We'll be fine.
We have knives.
Mine is fabric. Yeah.
There we go.
bee. There's a bee.
Oh, we should have brought.
No, I don't like them. They sting.
I'm allergic to wasps.
Look, Emma.
I need to go.
We told you to go. Grab your water bottle. Grab your water bottle. Grab your water bottle. We will create a cone of safety. Now we can't promise it won't come up from behind, but.
Hold on. Oh, is it recording?
Yeah.
Content. I was attacked by a seagull. Again.
Rawley, you have the chicken.
I'll meet you guys.
Okay.
I'm dusting off my feet.
I got the back, and we got the front. Do you need the towel for your feet?
Nah, I'm dusting it off with my hands.
You know it's bad when I'm the one walking in front to get the birds to move. Yeah. Oh, I didn't even do that. Hi, Munchkin. Yeah.
Alex, watch out, there's one behind you.
I'm behind you. Just go. Just go. Bro, I'm scared of birds too.
It's following me.
It's not following you. Go. That lifeguard's gonna laugh at you. It's one thing if we're laughing at you, but when the lifeguards are laughing at you.
Smell the fear.
Do you need to use the bathroom before we go?
Oh yeah, I guess I do.
I'm probably gonna drop this in the car and then go.
Okay, let's do that.
Alright. Oh, it's painted.
Yep, evil jellyfish.
I love
Yeah, but they're gonna come and go like this, and then you're gonna have to get peed on.
You know that actually doesn't help.
Well, people are gonna do it because they believe it.
Well, I would just tell someone, please don't.
I'm a bird.
I'm a bird. I'm a bird. Let's run skin bluff.
Huh?
Bluff.
Hi.
There's a lot of things that you can say are those.
All of it.
Birds are evil. That's my testimony. What'd you get?
Reese's Pieces cookie dough.
What'd you get?
Oreo Extreme Blizzard.
What'd you get?
Oh. This is a brownie Extreme Blizzard, by the way. I don't know why I said Oreo. Edit that out.
I got grape Arctic Rush. Surprise, surprise, didn't end this one either. Thank you so much for watching. This is the second of the three Canada vlogs that will be coming out. So check out next week for the third and final Canada vlog. And check out my Instagram, alexisme_12. Same thing as my TikTok. And then I also have a podcast with my friend Paige, the Truth Sleuths. You can find us on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Spotify, and Anchor. And we also have an Instagram that you can follow. It's at the Truth Sleuths. And we also have a Facebook and a YouTube channel. All of that will be linked down below. So thank you for watching. Go check that out. Like, comment, subscribe. I think that's everything I'm supposed to ask. Thank you again. Goodbye.